This video is going to walk you through creating a contact sheet. The first thing you need to do to make your contact sheet is open up Photoshop, and you should at this point already have all of your photos saved into one folder to work with. If not, go back and download all of your photos into one folder. When you're in Photoshop, you're going to go to the top of the screen where it says File, and then you're going to go down to Automate and Contact Sheet 2. So I'm going to click on Contact Sheet 2. And this screen is going to come up, and there's a couple settings you have to change on this screen. The first thing you have to change is the folder that has the photos. So you need to find where all of your images are saved. I'm going to go to where it says Choose right here. I'm going to click on that and find where I have my images saved for the project that I'm turning the contact sheet into. So those are on my desktop, and then I find the folder and hit Open. For this folder, I had 50 images in it. Depending on how many pictures you have, you'll want to change your rows and columns so that it fits all of your images onto one page. Since I have 50 images, I'm going to make my columns 5, and I'll have 10 rows. So 5 by 10 is 50, so then that will fit all 50 of my images. If you have more than 50, so maybe 60, do 6 by 10 or something like that. But as soon as you're done, you're going to hit OK. And then it's going to take a couple minutes to load, so give it some time and it will load your contact sheet. So now you'll see that my contact sheet is finished. It has all of my images on one page, and this is used for comparing your photos so you can see which images you like the best. But in order to turn your photo in on Classroom to get credit for having your contact sheet finished, make sure you save it as a JPEG. So I'm going to go up to File, Save As, then I'm going to type in my last name and then contact sheet, and instead of the format being Photoshop, I'm going to choose JPEG, and then making sure I have it saved in a folder, I'll be able to find it. So my desktop, I'm going to hit Save and then OK, and then you are done with your contact sheet.